So Thyme is the first project of WIDIA Properties. It is a 4-story walk-up. It has an elevator. It has all the amenities of a high-rise building. We have 100 residential units for commercial spaces and 21 parking spaces available. We would like to create better communities. That's why we started this project. And yeah, I think that's it.
So, ma'am, before the family entered the real estate development, what was, the background?
Yeah, as I said, no, kinaon na mo ang real estate. So, the side of my mom, they're from Surigao. So, they had real estate in Surigao. So they were leasing it, they were having it rented out. It's still there until now. And on the side of my dad, so as you can see in the Kasambagan area, there's Sarosa, Metso, Eastland, Tancor. That is all like, we're not connected to each other in terms of officially business, but we're related. So that is why I say apelyido namo kay real estate, a service among apelyido for 30 years because it's been that. So yeah.
Basically, you mentioned nga 50% sold na
Yeah.
ang project. May we know the profile of the buyers and also you mentioned
Maybe
also
Ralph can
about
answer
the
that.
expansion
Yeah.
Yes.
plans also of the company.
Yes, the profile of the buyers. Majority of our buyers right now are what we call investor buyers, meaning their intent in buying the units is for them to invest it, no, as maybe in the future for leasing or for rental, and a few BPO workers, the millennials, and then OFWs. I can say more than 50% of our buyers are the OFW buyers. We can say na these are the kind of OFWs who would like to invest their hard-earned money to a place they can call home.
Pero dili sa nila kanang for end use. For leasing nilang pwede nila, I mean.
Most likely, we don't ask or
Yeah.
how are they going to use it, but
Yes.
we can just infer that majority of our buyers right now are investor buyers.
Okay. And katong you mentioned ganina nga more projects after time.
Yeah.
Is it horizontal or vertical?
We're still going for vertical because
vertical?
if you notice in Cebu, there's very little land space already.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of the barangays right now prefer vertical structures. So we have an upcoming project which will also announce later. Around like 420 units. We call it Saffron. So yeah, we call it Saffron. But the name can still be changed along the way because we haven't officially announced it and we haven't gotten the
Asan
necessary.
siya?
Somewhere in Talisa, yeah.
Talisay. Why is the company kanang pouring in money for condo developments? You can tell us about the outlook probably sa market karon and the industry. I mean, despite baga inflation, the rising interest rates.
Well, if you notice, even Cebuanos, is growing really fast right now. They're still investing in a lot. So I think the potential of the industry is still there. And though it's not like we can consider ourselves somewhere around the mid area already, the market is still developing here in Cebu. But we wanted to try to see what kind of the market we can get, and then after that probably explore other areas.
I think it really boils down to shelter is a basic necessity. So everyone needs a roof on top of their heads. So there will always be a market for buying condominiums. There will always be, because it is a basic necessity, and you know, you want to invest, to give to your grandchild, to give to your mom, you give your dad. So there will always be a necessity for that.
And so, ano niya, like,